did, yes. See, they in the meetings and they can see that we are into the bench.
Court is in session and cause number 330.
Yeah, I can see that.
Case is style of state of Texas versus Eric.
That's
That's right.
right.
We have Mr. Gatright appearing via Zoom.
Yeah, I went outside smoking.
And Mr. Gatright's attorney.
And then went to the corner store to pick them up. Yeah, he didn't probably left them. Yeah. He went over there to check on his father. His father was bad. Yeah. And his dad and Billy showing that he killed. Yeah.
I ain't got nothing to do, just eat some food, don't be a toothbrush. Sign my checks.
Yeah, it's like he's very.
Okay, Ms. Gatright is appearing. Mr. Gatright is appearing via Zoom. His attorney, Ms. Provo, is appearing in court. And the court is pursuant to Article 46B.004 Texas Code of Criminal Procedure on its own motion, a sua sponte motion, is raising, suggesting in this motion that the defendant may be incompetent. And pursuant to that same article, the state is going to conduct an informal hearing to determine whether or not there is some evidence from any source that would support a finding that the defendant may be incompetent to stand trial. And the court will follow the factors that are in Article 46B.024 of the Texas Code of Criminal Procedure. Ms. Provo, pursuant to Article .124 of the Texas Code of Criminal Procedure, the proceedings and trials in all courts shall be public. However, pursuant to Lilly versus State 365 Southwest 3rd 321, the right to a public trial is not absolute and may be outweighed by other competing rights or interests such as interest in security, preventing disclosure of non-public information, or securing or ensuring that a defendant receives a fair trial. Does the defense request that this hearing be closed?
Initial right here. Initial?
Mr. Lawrence,
Yes.
would you please put your mic on mute? Never mind, I'll put it on mute for you. We're in the middle of a hearing. Okay, so Ms. Provo, pursuant to Lilly versus State 365 Southwest 3rd 321, the defendant that it states that a right to a public trial is not absolute and may be outweighed by other competing rights and interests such as interest in security, preventing disclosure of non-public information, or ensuring that a defendant receives a fair trial. Does the defendant request that this hearing be closed to the public to prevent the disclosure of non-public information?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay. At this time, this hearing will